If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to track task progress in Salesflare, you're in the right place. In this quick explanation, we'll show you how to do it effectively so you can manage your workflow without missing a beat. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how you can get started with Salesflare for free, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. Salesflare is a powerful CRM tool built to help you track and manage your sales process, but one of its standout features is task management. Tracking task progress in Salesflare is incredibly straightforward, and it can significantly streamline your workflow. Once you're logged into Salesflare, the first thing you'll notice is the central dashboard. From here, you can easily see tasks related to your deals, contacts, and activities. You can assign tasks, track their status, and monitor progress, all within this simple interface. To start tracking tasks, you'll want to click on the Tasks tab located in the sidebar. Here, you can create a new task by clicking the Plus New Task button. You can assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, and categorize them by priority. This is essential for staying organized and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. What's great about Salesflare is that tasks are automatically linked to your contacts or deals. This means that you can see what needs to be done next at a glance for each lead or client. Whether it's following up on a call, scheduling a meeting, or sending an email, you won't have to manually track it across multiple platforms. Everything's in one place. Once a task is set, you can track its progress through the task's status. Salesflare allows you to mark tasks as not started, in progress, or completed, which gives you a quick overview of where things stand. You can even set up reminders so that no task is ever forgotten. These reminders can be set to notify you through email or within the app itself. If you want a more detailed overview, you can use the Task View feature, which gives you a clear timeline of upcoming tasks and their due dates. This is a great way to stay on top of deadlines and prioritize your task accordingly, but tracking task progress is not just about staying organized. It's about ensuring that you're making progress on your sales goals. That's where Salesflare's automation comes in. The CRM automatically logs your activities, so you don't have to worry about manually entering data every time you complete a task. This gives you more time to focus on what matters most, actually driving sales and managing relationships. As tasks are completed, Salesflare updates your progress, and you can track your productivity through visual reports that summarize how well you're staying on task and hitting deadlines. It's a simple yet powerful way to monitor your team's performance and ensure that everyone is aligned toward meeting sales targets. By now, you can see that Salesflare isn't just about task management, it's about automating processes and tracking progress seamlessly, so you can spend less time on administrative work and more time on sales. But here's the best part. You can start using Salesflare completely free by signing up through the first link below. And as a special bonus, you'll get an extended free trial, giving you extra time to explore the software without any commitment. Whether you're a small team or a large organization, Salesflare's task tracking features can make a huge difference in how efficiently you manage your sales pipeline. It's a simple, intuitive tool that integrates effortlessly with your day-to-day activities, and it's designed to help you grow without the complexity of other CRMs. So make sure to check out the link below to get your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your productivity and make the most of your sales efforts.